Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Mohammad Mahbub and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have also cracked TS Law Set 2023 with rank 1. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs related to GK that is very important from the point of view of TZ Law Set and AP Law Set 2025. Before proceeding ahead, I want to tell one thing, that if you are visiting first time on this video, you can visit all those videos that is available on this YouTube channel. For your convenience, I have created playlist on this YouTube channel. In playlist, I have divided the whole material into three parts. That is legal, aptitude, current affairs, and GK. So you can visit playlist and watch all those videos that is available in playlist. So uh, let's discuss these questions. So the first question is: the Government of India Act 1935 vested the residuary power of legislation in the. Its right answer is Governor General. So the right answer is D. Question number two. Who among the following was elected as the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Its right answer is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. So the right answer is D. Question number three. Quiet India movement is also known as. Its right answer is August movement. So the right answer is A. Question number four. What is the capital city of Ukraine? Its right answer is Kiev. So the right answer is D. Question number five. Washing machine works on the principle of. Its right answer is centrifugation. So the right answer is C. Question number six. Which day is observed as the World Day of War Orphan? Its right answer is January 6th. The right answer is B. Question number seven. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty imposed on citizens by the Indian Constitution? Its right answer is to pay taxes. So the right answer is B. Question number 8. Area wise, India is the seventh largest country in the world. So the right answer is C. Question number 9. Which among the following does not fall under the category of broadband internet connection? Its right answer is dial up. So the right answer is C. Question number 10. The British East India Company's private army under the Lord Robert Clive annexed Bengal in the Battle of Plassey in the year. Its right answer is 1757. So the right answer is A. Question number 11. The first Indian woman to win the Miss World title was. Its right answer is Rita Faria Powell. So the right answer is C. Question number 12. Which was the first spacecraft to go into the orbit around the moon and the first human made object to orbit anybody beyond the earth? Its right answer is Luna 10. So the right answer is D. Question number 13. Who appoints the member of Election Commission of India? Its right answer is President of India. So the right answer is A. Question number 14. Who among the following colonial British administrators formulated and implemented the doctrine of lapse? Its right answer is James Andrew Brown Ramsay, Elias Dalhousie. So the right answer is C. Question number 15. In the Indian national flag, tricolor, saffron represents. Its right answer is courage and sacrifice. So the right answer is B. Question number 16. Who wrote the book India Wins Freedom? Its right answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So the right answer is C. Question number 17. In which of the following cycles the same pattern of solar eclipse repeats every 18 years, 11 days, and 8 hours? Its right answer is Saros cycle. So the right answer is B. Question number 18. Pointing to a girl, Sivalingam said, "She is the daughter of the only son of my mother." How is Sivalingam related to that girl? Its right answer is father. So the right answer is D. Question number 19. Leaning Tower of Pisa is located in which country? Its right answer is Italy. So the right answer is D. Question number 20. Arrange the following layers of atmosphere in the lowest to the highest order from the Earth's surface. Its right answer is D. Lowest, lowest Lowest atmosphere of the Earth is troposphere, and after that, and and the above of troposphere is stratosphere, and the and the above of stratosphere is mesosphere. So the right answer is D. Question number 21. The maximum number of columns which can be inserted in a MS Word document are. Its right answer is 63. So the right answer is A. Question number 22. The Mughal Empire reached its maximum territorial extent during the reign of. Its right answer is Aurangzeb. So the right answer is C. Question number 23. Against whom was the second Opium War fought by British India? Its right answer is China. So the right answer is B. Question number 24. Who founded the Banaras Hindu University, the largest residential central university in Asia located in Varanasi? Its right answer is Madan Mohan Malviya. So the right answer is B. Question number 25. Who invented the 3D printer? Its right answer is Chuck Hull. So the right answer is A. Question number 26. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? Its right answer is vitamin K. So the right answer is D. Question number 27. Who established the Brahmo Samaj reformist movement? Its right answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So the right answer is C. Question number 28. India celebrates Civil Service Day to commemorate the address of which leader to the administrative service officer? Its right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So the right answer is D. Question number 29. In which state the International School introduced the first teaching robot in India? Its right answer is Telangana. So the right answer is D. Question number 30. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Its right answer is Gujarat. So the right answer is B. Question number 31. Quiet India movement was started in the year. Its right answer is 1942. So the right answer is D. 1942 AD. So the right answer is D. Question number 32. Where is Gundi National Park located? Its right answer is Tamil Nadu. So the right answer is C. Question number 33. Which of the following rivers has Musi River as one of its tributaries? Its right answer is Krishna River. So the right answer is D. Question number 34. Hirakud Dam is located in which states? Its right answer is Odisha. So the right answer is A. Question number 35. Who discovered bacteria? Its right answer is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. So the right answer is B. Question number 36. How many goals are there in the Sustainable Development Goals adopted by the United Nations? Its right answer is 17. So the right answer is C. Question number 37. Gibraltar Straits connect which of the following? Its right answer is Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. So the right answer is D. Question number 38. Who was known as Martin Luther of India? Its right answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. So the right answer is A. Question number 39. Bhim full form is. Its right answer is Bharat Interface for Money. So the right answer is B. Question number 40. Who among the following renounced his knighthood following the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Its right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. So the right answer is B. Question number 41. The actor to win the first ever Filmfare Award in the category of Best Actor for the film Dag. Its right answer is Dilip Kumar. So the right answer is C. Question number 42. Which day is celebrated as World Health Day? Its right answer is 7th April. So the right answer is B. Question number 43. How many countries are currently members of the United Nations? Its right answer is 193 countries. So the right answer is D. Question number 44. A gold rings 58 58.33% pure. Its purity can be alternatively shown as. Its right answer is 14 carat. So the right answer is C. Question number 45. Which one of the following is not a member of the Quad group of nations? Its right answer is France. So the right answer is A. Question number 46. Which of the following lenses are used in the microscope? Its right answer is convex lens. So the right answer is A. Question number 47. The Nobel Prize was awarded for the first time in which year? Its right answer is 1901 AD. So the right answer is A. Question number 48. Channel Tunnel is an undersea rail tunnel that links. Its right answer is England and France. So the right answer is B. Question number 49. 1 nautical miles is equal to. Its right answer is 1852 meters. So the right answer is D. Question number 50. Copyright Day is celebrated on. Its right answer is 23rd April. So the right answer is C. Question number 51. Currently, how many countries are the members of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization that is known as NATO? Its right answer is 32. So the right answer is C. Question number 52. Buddhism is the world's fourth largest religion. It is believed to have originated in. Its right answer is India. So the right answer is B. Question number 53. Which city is called the Silicon Valley of India? Its right answer is Bangalore. So the right answer is B. Question number 54. Which is the first electronic stock market in the world? Its right answer is National Association of Securities Dealer Automated Quotation System. So the right answer is A, and it is known in short form as Nasdaq. So the right answer is A of the question number 55. Question number 54. Question number 54 right answer is A. Question number 55. The word Satyameva Jayate is in the state emblem adopted by the government of India have been taken from which Upanishad? Its right answer is Mundaka Upanishad. So the right answer is C. Question number 56. Where are the Bermuda Island located? Its right answer is North Atlantic Ocean. So the right answer is B. Question number 57. A virtual image larger than the object can be produced by. Its right answer is concave mirror. So the right answer is C. Question number 58. How many times are the hands of a clock at right angles in a full day? Its right answer is 44. So the right answer is D. Question number 59. Which of the following is related to green movement? Its right answer is environmental protection. So the right answer is B. So friends, it all was for today. We will meet in next video that could be either a legal aptitude or GK. If you are visiting first time, you can visit all those videos that is available on this YouTube channel. It will be helpful for your preparation and it will definitely help in your examination. So till next video, thank you very much. Thank you very much.